All right, I am here with Jackie at the DCFC game, football game. How are you today?
I'm good.
That is awesome. Now, why is it a good thing? I've been asking everybody, why is it a good thing to call Miss Dig 811?
So you know what's underneath.
That's right, you can know what's underground. What number do you dial to call Miss Dig 811?
Oh, 811?
That's right, 811, you got it. Thank you.
Thanks.
Good job.
Thank you for watching Miss Diggs What's the 811. Remember, always be smart, be safe, and call Miss Dig 811 before you dig.